In this video, I will show you how to connect FXPro to TradingView. This can be useful if you want to use TradingView's charting tools while trading with your FXPro broker account. First, open your browser and go to TradingView. Once you are on TradingView, make sure you are signed into your account. Next, open a chart. You can choose any market you want, such as Forex, indices, commodities, crypto, or any other asset available on TradingView. When the chart opens, go to the top right corner of the screen. From there, click on Trade. This will open the Broker Connection panel. Inside this panel, you will see different brokers that can be connected to TradingView. Now, go through the list and look for FXPro. When you see FXPro, click on it, then select Connect. TradingView will then open the FXPro sign-in page. It may open in a new tab or as a pop-up window, so make sure your browser is not blocking pop-ups. Now enter your FXPro login details and continue. If you have more than one account, make sure you choose the right one. For example, if you have a demo account and a live account, select the account you want to connect. After logging in, FXPro may ask you to approve the connection with TradingView. Simply review the request, then click Allow, Authorize, or Continue, depending on the option shown on your screen. Once the connection is approved, TradingView should bring you back to the chart. At this point, your FXPro account should be connected. To check, click on Trade again and see if FXPro appears as connected. After that, you can start using TradingView with FXPro. You may be able to view your account details, place trades, manage positions, and follow your trades directly from the chart. If FXPro does not show in the broker list, the connection may not be available in your region or for your account type. And if you have trouble connecting, check your login information, make sure your FXPro account is active, and try allowing pop-ups in your browser. You can also refresh TradingView, sign out and sign back in, then try connecting FXPro again, and that's it. This is how you connect FXPro to TradingView. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials.